This is how to replace a cabin filter in Jetta 2016. You're gonna go under here. You're gonna find those two plastic screws. You're gonna unscrew them. I already unscrewed them, but you can use your fingers or put a little screwdriver in there. You're gonna pull out this cover. You're gonna find this air filter cover. You're gonna push on it to the right, and it will come out. And you pull out the old filter. Then we're gonna install a washable K&N filter. Comes with the filter, and it also comes with a cover gasket that goes on here. I'm gonna wipe down the cover with alcohol so it can stick on there better. So it's gonna go like this. Take out the filter. And you're gonna put it in the same way the old one came out, so the slant is gonna go to the right passenger side. Oh, where is it? It's a little tight fit. So that was a tight fit. I have to use both hands to kind of squeeze it and push it in there. And then you put the cover with the gasket. Okay, so the cover was also tight fit because of the gasket. But yeah, you use both hands to push it in and then put it on there. And then you put your cover back on, so just match these holes to those vents, and then put the screws back on. And there you go, it's back on. And we took out this nasty old filter, and now we have the washable filter that we can just take out every 6 months and clean it with a K&N's cleaning solution, and good to go.